Hey there, Matthias here. Have you watched one of my Apple Notes videos, maybe grabbed the Forever Notes cheat sheet, but then never quite finished the setup? Don't worry, you're not alone. I totally get it. We all start with the best intentions, but then life happens, things get busy, and that setup just never makes it to the finish line. How about setting it up together in one afternoon? I created a video workshop where I'll walk you through building your entire system, step by step. We'll set up everything together in real time. Your home note, your first tags, collection, your first hub, and also get your journal up and running. By the end, you'll have everything you need to make sense of all those scattered notes. I've kept this super simple. No confusing extras, just clear, step-by-step videos you can follow along with. You'll also get a handy workshop companion page with a whole lot of extras, PDFs, shortcuts, copy-paste templates, and a setup checklist to keep you on track. And here's the coolest part. By the time you finish your afternoon coffee, your system will be up and running, ready to use. Oh, and did I mention you can do this whenever works for you? Just hit play when you have a free afternoon and follow along at your own pace. If you've been telling yourself, I really should set up Forever Notes one of those days, it's time to make it happen. One afternoon, a working system. Let's do this together. To learn more and join the workshop, just go to myforevernotes.com/workshop. See you there.